Hello everyone. Today, we are going to explore a very interesting root word, ambulo. This word comes from Latin and it means to walk or to move around. Let's discover some exciting words that come from this root, understand their meanings, and learn how to use them in everyday life. The first word is amble. To amble means to walk slowly in a relaxed way, with no hurry at all. Imagine a peaceful evening, when you're not rushing anywhere. Grandpa likes to amble around the park every evening. Next is a very familiar word, ambulance. An ambulance is a special vehicle, used to transport sick or injured people quickly to hospitals. You might have seen one with bright lights and a loud siren. Here's a sentence, the ambulance rushed to help the injured man. Now, let's look at ambulatory. Ambulatory means able to walk around or move freely. Usually, we use this word when someone is recovering from an injury. For example, after the surgery, the patient became ambulatory within 2 days. The next term is ambulatory care. This is medical care where the patient doesn't stay overnight at the hospital or clinic. It's quick and easy, allowing people to return home the same day. Like this, ambulatory care is available at the local clinic during daytime hours. Now, related to that, we have ambulatory surgery. This means a surgery where patients leave on the same day without needing to spend a night in the hospital. It's convenient and comfortable. For example, my mom had ambulatory surgery and came home the same afternoon. The word ambulant describes someone capable of walking around on their own. Imagine patients in a hospital who have recovered enough to walk around. A nice example is, the ambulant patients were allowed to visit the hospital garden. An ambulator is someone who moves or travels from place to place, usually for a purpose like selling things or sharing knowledge. Picture someone traveling from city to city. For instance, the street ambulator traveled from town to town selling goods. Next is a unique word, ambulophobia. This means an unusual fear of walking. People with ambulophobia might feel anxious just thinking about taking a walk. For example, someone with ambulophobia might avoid activities that involve walking. Now, let's talk about circumambulate. To circumambulate means to walk completely around something, usually as part of a tradition or to show respect. It's a common cultural practice worldwide. Listen to this example, visitors often circumambulate the large fountain in the garden. Another fascinating word is noctambulist, which means a person who walks during the night, usually someone who walks in their sleep. It can be surprising to witness. Here's an example, the noctambulist wandered through the house in his sleep. Closely related is the word somnambulate, meaning to walk in your sleep. Remember, it's important not to suddenly wake a sleepwalker. Like this, it's surprising how some people somnambulate without waking up. Next is preamble. This means an introduction to something important, like a document or speech. It's like taking a short walk through ideas before you reach the main topic. A clear example is, the teacher read the preamble of the Constitution to the class. Finally, we have perambulate. This lovely word means to walk around leisurely, usually for pleasure or relaxation. Imagine yourself strolling on a sunny day. For instance, on sunny days, we perambulate along the beach. This is end of the tutorial. Remember, whenever you see the root word ambulo, think about walking, movement, and traveling around. I hope these examples helped you clearly understand each word. Keep practicing them, use them in your sentences, and you'll easily master these beautiful vocabulary words. Thank you for listening. Keep exploring, keep learning, and remember to amble through life joyfully.